Hello students, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to learn exercise 7.2 in that question number 8. So the question is, if A and B are, these are the points A and B respectively. So this is A and this is B. So what they asked to find out? Find the coordinates of P. So there is point P such that AP equals to 3 by 7 AB. And P lies. So where this point lies? P lies on the line segment AB. So let us first draw the line segment AB. So that we will get a clear idea what we have to find out. So let us take this as A here, that is minus 2, and BB 2 and minus 4. So this P lies on the line segment AB. So we don't know where it lies. Let us take here. And it will also have the x coordinate and y coordinate. So find the coordinates of P. So let us take here x and y. And to find out the coordinate of this point of division, we must know the ratio. But they are not given the ratio, but in different form they are given. So they are given the AP. The distance AP is 3 by 7 AB. So AP they are given in terms of AB. But they are not given PB or BP. So AP and PB, these two distances will give you the ratios, because as we know P divides AB into the two parts, AP and BP. So we should find out the AP divided by BP or PB. So that AP upon BP will give you the ratio of the point of division. So let us find out. So AP it is given, AP is 3 by 7 AB. So if you want to find out the BP how will you get? AB minus AP will give you the BP. So AB minus AP will give you the BP. So let us find out here. So AB we don't know. So let us write here AB we don't know, but AP they are given in terms of AB. So AP is 3 by 7 AB. So let us find out this. Let us consider the denominator of AB to be 1. So it will be easy to find out. So here LCM will be 7. In here we have to multiply this with 7, isn't it? To get here 7. So 7 AB. Otherwise you can cross multiply, minus here 1 into 3 AB, because no need to multiply because already we have the 7 in the denominator. So this is 3 AB. So finally you will get 7AB minus 3AB, that is 4AB upon 7. So this is what? BP. So we got AB and BP. Now we will find out the ratio. So here AP upon BP. So AP is 3 by 7 AB and this is 4 by 7 AB. So this 7 get cancels, AB get cancels. So you can cancel here. Otherwise you can write directly. So you will get what? The answer is 3 by 4. So AP is 3 and BP is 4 here. So it is 3:4, or you can write here the ratio is 3:4. So once you got the ratio, you can find out the coordinates of point of division. So for that we'll use the section formula. So we'll find out the x coordinate of P. So that will get how? M1 x2 plus M2 x1 divided by 2. So let us find out here. So first of all we should know what is M1 and M2. So here we'll write M1 is to M2, that is the ratio, that is 3:4. So this is M1, this is M2. Next x2 x1. So this will get from the end points of line joining. So let us write this A and B once again. So A is minus 2 and B is 2 and minus 4. Only to avoid the confusion I have wrote here. Otherwise without writing here you can get this M1 M2 from this, and your x1 y1 x2 y2 from here. So here we'll name this as x1 y1. So it will be easy to for calculation. And here x2. So M1 is 3, x2 is 2, that is into, plus m2 is 4 and x1 is minus 2 divided by, so here you have to take m1 plus m2 because it is section formula. Suppose the ratio is same here 1:1, then you have to take here 2. Otherwise, as it is section formula, you have to take. So here m1 plus m2, that is 3 plus 4. So 3 2s are 6, 4 2s are 8, but minus because plus minus is minus, and this is 7. So finally we'll get the x coordinate of P as minus 2 by 7. Now we'll find out the y coordinate of P. So same formula, just you have to replace the x here, m1 y2 plus m2 y1 divided by m1 plus m2. So put the values here, m1 is 3, y2 that is minus 4 plus m2 is 4 here, and y1 is minus 2 divided by 3 plus 4, that is equals to 12. So here 3 4s are, that is 12, minus 12, and 4 2s are 8, plus minus is minus, so minus 20 by 7. So the coordinates of point P are, that is x coordinate you have to write first, that is minus 2 by 7, and y coordinate is minus 20 by 7. So here 3 4s are, that is 12, minus 12, and 4 2s are 8, plus minus is minus, so minus 20 by 7. So the coordinates of point P are, that is x coordinate you have to write first, that is minus 2 by 7, and y coordinate is minus 20 by 7.